Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, so then we need to remove it from the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone. Then check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to press and hold both of the touch areas on your earbuds. The touch area is located where you have the SOUNDCORE logo. Now you press and hold it, and you wait until the LED light flashed red 3 times rapidly. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove your earbuds from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android near to your phone or near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget the device and forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that you can remove your earbuds from the device list. After a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and if you have Android, also click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.